Hi, I'm Dr. Austin Fragomen at the Hospital for Special Surgery. I'm here to speak to you today about the mini rail external fixator. And this is used for metatarsal lengthenings, metatarsal bone transport, metatarsal fusions. This is quite an effective device to really solve a lot of difficult metatarsal problems. The point of this video is to show patients how to do the adjustments to the mini rail frame. Although the mini rail surgery happens at the hospital, the adjustments don't start for several days after the surgery, and they really happen at home. So it's up to the patient to do the adjustments. We're going to show you how to do these adjustments to reinforce what you learned in the hospital. First, I'd like to look at a sawbone bone model and show how to do the adjustment on that. We will look at that from a few different angles so that it's very clear how to do this correctly. First, we put the wrench inside the set screw and turn it counterclockwise to loosen it. Then, I put my wrench inside the nut and advance it 1/4 turn. Then, I lock this set screw back up again by turning clockwise. And that's 1/4 turn. So over time, when we do this 1/4 turn twice a day, over and over again, there's my 1/4 turn, I'm going to lock that, and then I'm going to come back again later, there's my 1/4 turn, I'm going to lock it again. You can see the space here starts to get bigger. And if we fast forward, after multiple turns, you can see that growing. And then we can keep doing this at 1/2 millimeter a day until we've grown the desired amount of length, which will determine by x-ray and clinical appearance in the office. Here's that same adjustment from another angle. We're going to put the wrench inside the set screw, turn counterclockwise to loosen it. We're going to find the nut, rotate 90 degrees, go back in the set screw and lock it. We'll come back later that day, same process, unlock the set screw, find a spot for the wrench, turn 90 degrees, and then lock that set screw again. That will be your 2 adjustments separated by about 12 hours. I'd like to show you how the rail works. Basically, this nut pushes this carriage down this way, like that. So the nut needs to spin along the rail in order to push the carriage. So we need to turn the nut in this direction, which is clockwise. Let's look at how to do that adjustment again on a patient in the office. And it's simple step process. Step 1, we unlock the locking nut.
So counterclockwise.
So that's unlocked now. Just make sure it's loose. Good. Okay. Step 2, we're going to put the wrench in the side of the distraction nut, and then we're going to turn it 90 degrees. So that's 90 degrees.
Okay.
And it's ultimately pushing this carriage down that way, and that's lengthening the toe. And then we go back and lock this up.
Okay.
It has to be pretty snug. You can hold these pins just like that.
Okay.
I think you can see that this adjustment to the mini rail is quite simple, and it's something that any patient could do easily at home.